To bring information to life, we must initiate our ideas, push the buttons to put our thinking into motion. But anyone can press buttons. Pushing a button to start a spaceship going to Mars is fairly easy. Keeping it on course is not. Meeting new people is simple. Falling in love, a different story. The difference is pressing the right buttons. Sometimes straightforward, sometimes complex. Pushing the right button can get you an ice cold Coke, but can also make someone laugh or cry. Pushing the right button can land an important business contract or motivate someone to get an idea. From explaining complex problems and streamlining business to simplifying life. Push the right buttons and the possibilities are infinite. Knowing which buttons to push is at the core of our business. From development to sales to insight and innovation, this is what transforms thoughts into action. Pushing the right buttons is what brings information to life. We push the right buttons.